What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today we're talking about how to pack your carry-on size backpack for a trip to Southeast Asia. I'm gonna go there in 2 days, so I gotta pack today. And I thought I'd just take you with me because a lot of people will face that problem and tomorrow I'll probably be damn hungover. So let's get going. To give you a little overview, this is everything I'm taking, and let's start on the top right. Excuse the mess down there. So I'm traveling with the Osprey backpack, 40 liters. I think it's a perfect carry-on sized. You've got a few compartments down here, laptop, some important documents and stuff, and a big compartment where you can bring everything you've got. Very accessible, perfect for traveling. So down here we've got some shorts, some swimming shorts, 2 pairs and the sport shorts. Then I've got a towel for beach days and a small towel for the shower. Down here the small electronic stuff and all the equipment you might need, might not need. So I've got my phone, I've got my earplugs, I've got a selfie stick, obviously gotta have the selfie stick. My passport, very important. In this little bag here, I've got some cables and just stuff. Memory cards, connectors, all that important shit. Next to it, sunglasses and a plastic bag so I can go shopping without taking extra plastic with me. Right here is my hard drive, so I can store all the data on there and not gonna lose it. Quite important. Here I've got my flight compellent bag with a lot of toothpaste, 3 types of sunscreen, some shampoo, some body lotion because I'll probably get burned because I always do. So I've gotta keep my skin a little moist. Up here I've just got the parcel today. I've got a reusable water bottle that's gonna be very handy. I think it's 750 milliliters. I've got some dry shampoo, my toothbrush, razor to keep my face a little bit clean and not too messy, plugs, my gummy bands for my new palm I have on my head, some medication, charcoal tablets because I'm probably gonna be in Indonesia and India, and I've heard from a lot of people that sometimes your stomach has some problems, so I'd rather be safe with that. And on the left, the green package is some malaria tablets. My mom wouldn't let me go without it. Yeah, up there you can see, maybe can see the DJI logo. In here is my drone. I've got the Mavic Air to get some really nice footage from above. Here I've got another Osprey day pack, foldable, very tiny, very nice to have. And the big bag over there, I've got the remote control for the drone. I've got all this accessories, the spare batteries, all that shit, because the other original DJI bag was just too big for me. Staying on the top, we've got some boxer shorts. I think I brought 7, so I've got to do the laundry once in a week. I've got 5 pairs of socks because when I go out I want to have some socks on. I've got my flip-flops. I've got some water shoes because I've been stung by a sea urchin once. Not want to have that happen again. And I've got my normal sneakers for everyday trekking, walking, partying, whatever. Down here, I think I've got 6 different t-shirts, mostly black and white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts. I've got 3 tank tops, 1 jeans with a belt, 2 shorts, 1 hat, always kind of handy, especially when you fly the drone and you gotta look up in the sun, and my MacBook so I can edit some of the videos. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. And I'm gonna be traveling for around 6 months, I think. And that's not a lot. Okay guys, let's start packing the bag. To have it a bit more organized, I've bought myself some packing cubes from Amazon. Nothing special, a few different sizes, a big one and a small handy one. I don't know how I can fit them in there. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see, we'll see. So let's start with the big things first. T-shirts and jeans, my everyday use. And what I'll be doing for packing is I'm gonna roll them up really tight and nicely so it's almost wrinkle free and it compresses a lot of the space so I can pack more in less. So let's go. So, first packing cube done. I think I can even fit way more in there. Might as well do that. Okay, basically got all my clothes in here. That's 2 short shorts, 3 swimming shorts, 1 jeans, one towel, 5 t-shirts and 3 tank tops. Not bad, hey? So for the rest, hygiene stuff already packed in. Perfect. Might as well just fit my toothbrush and all that shit in here, if I can. Razor. Okay, got that. Yeah, and the rest is basically just stuff. Awesome. So let's get the socks ready. Underwear. Here I think I'm not gonna roll them. I'm just gonna place them in there because it's perfectly folded. Thanks, Mom. Okay, underwear done. Perfectly fits in here. And now we just gotta figure out how to assemble the other things in the backpack. So let's do that now. So for the small compartment of my backpack, I'm gonna obviously put my MacBook where it's supposed to be. Done. Passport and important documents that I haven't printed yet, but might as well do it right after this video. Gonna be in the front net, so it's very accessible even if I have it on my back. Same thing for like my second phone in case I got that stolen or broken or whatever. Headphones, all that neat stuff comes in here. And then I think I can just fit some of the electronics in there as well. That's really nice. Electronics, bag, some accessories, all in here. Sunglasses, might as well fit them in here. Okay. Done with the front compartment. Like that. Water bottle comes in front. Ooh, that might be... Okay, this side's better. Okay, water bottle in front, so I can always grab it, have a sip on the go. And then, let's fold that bad boy up and do the main compartment. So in the main compartment, what I'm gonna be doing, that has the perfect size for it. So that's gonna be all the way at the bottom, filling up everything. More. Like that. Tablets, don't need for medication, don't need the packaging for that. Okay, nail clipper, razor, charger, hairbands, other medications, soap, and foldable day pack. And I think that's it. Let's do it up like that, spread it a bit. And now the squeezing begins. Actually, not really. It's not that hard. I mean, it's packed, but I was expecting it to be worse. Like, you know, sitting on the suitcase, that kind of stuff. There we go. Done. Hopefully I can fit that in here. Yeah, gotta figure out a way to pack that nice and neat. So that's that. And here we go. My bag for my trip to Southeast Asia 2020. Nice. Now I can get wasted. See ya. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, of course. I mean, did I forget something? Tell me in the comments below.